One of the coolest features of Intellio is that it can see, talk and listen. Watch this. Leo, stand up. Leo, bark. Isn't that great? So that's my Robo Pet recognizing my voice and responding to it. Now meet my desk companion. It is also integrated with ChatGPT and always ready to follow my command. Check this. Hey Intellio, can you tell me a joke? Now it may take few seconds as the response is coming from ChatGPT's server.
Why do Matt's book look sad? Because it has too many problems.
That was funny, right? Intellio, click a picture. Great! Now I'll show you one more thing. Intellio, can you play my favorite song? And this is just the beginning. With Intellio's mic, camera and speaker, your projects can now be more interactive and responsive. Make your imagination come alive with Quarky Intellio.